Mastering the passive voice in present perfect tense. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to delve deeper into the world of verbs and tenses by examining a particularly intriguing topic: passive voice in present perfect tense. This might sound complex, but don't worry. We're going to break it down step by step so you can master this important aspect of English grammar. Before we dive into the passive voice in present perfect tense, let's first refresh our understanding of the present perfect tense. This tense is used when an action started in the past and continues to the present, or when an action occurred at an unspecified time in the past. Example in active voice: I have eaten the cake. She has written a letter. The present perfect tense is formed with have, has, plus past participle. The passive voice is a way of constructing our sentences so that the focus is on the action being done, rather than who or what is performing the action. In other words, the subject is acted upon by the verb. Example in active voice: the dog, subject, chased, verb, the cat, object. Example in passive voice: the cat, subject, was chased, verb, by the dog, object. In the passive voice, the object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence. Now that we've reviewed both concepts, let's merge them. The passive voice in present perfect tense is formed with have, has been, plus past participle. Let's transform our earlier examples into the passive voice. Active: I have eaten the cake. Passive: the cake has been eaten by me. Active: she has written a letter. Passive: a letter has been written by her. As you can see, the focus has shifted from the doer of the action, I, she, to the object of the action, the cake, a letter. Let's practice. Try transforming these active sentences into passive. 1. We have finished the project. 2. John has cleaned the room. Solution: 1. The project has been finished by us. 2. The room has been cleaned by John. Try creating more sentences using the passive voice in present perfect tense, and remember, practice makes perfect. And there we have it. We've explored the interesting world of the passive voice in present perfect tense. Remember, it's all about shifting the focus of your sentence from the doer to the action or the object. With this new tool in your grammar toolkit, you'll be able to express yourself in English with even more variety and precision. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more lessons. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.